Hey, Heather from HookedOnPickin.com here. Warehouse update. As you can see, lots of progress has happened. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so here's the update on my warehouse. As you can see, the whole thing has been sided. It looks awesome. And so they've been doing a lot of work this week on my warehouse. I think I'm maybe about 2 weeks from being totally completed, and then I can start moving stuff in. So they got all the siding on, they've got all the trimmed work done. They're up by the roof part, and then if you guys come with me, I'll show you the rest of it. So they got all the brickwork done. They trimmed out around the garage door. They trimmed out around my regular door. As you can see, drywall remnants. So I'm going to show you the inside. It looks totally different now that they've drywalled. So they've got my screens here, but I wanted to show you what we got going on. So let me open this door. It's going to actually be an electric door, but right now I can just pull it up. So come on in. I want to show you. It's a little echoey right now, but as you can see, they have drywalled everything. So I think the next step is they're going to tape it, mud it, and then paint it, and then trim everything out. But I've got the ceiling entirely drywalled. All my HVAC is in. They're working on the electrical box and getting all the electrical hooked up. It's gonna stay a cement floor, so that's not gonna change at all. They're gonna put in, if you see the cord hanging from the ceiling over here, they're actually going to put in an electric garage door opener with a keypad, so that I can just hit the keypad and it'll open on its own. But I'm really, really excited about the progress. Like I said, probably about 2 more weeks until I actually get in this space, and I'm just chomping at the bit to do it. So it's currently about, today is Tuesday before Labor Day, and so we're going into September, and I'm hoping to have this done soon. So very, very good progress. As you can see, we've got, this is going to be my corner for my office. I just love all the natural light. I'm so glad. I originally, in the original plan, had just this window and that window. This is going to be my porch here. I plan on hanging a porch swing outside. So they still do have to pour the concrete pad. As you can see, I've got a beautiful view, and I'm very, very glad that I put in my 2 back windows. Those were not in the original plan, but I really, really love my backyard, and I wanted to be able to see it. But this is a huge, enormous space. I know a lot of you are thinking 720 square feet. It's not going to feel big enough, and it's going to get small very fast. But you remember, I'm working in just barely over 200 square feet. But this is my view from my back windows, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I get to enjoy my little pond I got going on there. And as you can see, I've got plenty of electrical outlets. Some of you may have noticed that in the corner where my office is, all the electrical outlets are down low because obviously I'll have a desk there. But if you've noticed over here on these walls, I actually specifically requested that they put them up higher because I knew I was going to have tables and countertops here, and that's where I was going to plug in my scales and a lot of my lighting and stuff for my, this is going to be my lighting corner. And so I wanted to make sure that they were up high enough so that I wouldn't have to deal with long extension cords or anything like that. So if you also look at the ceiling, you've got the air intake for my HVAC, and then we've got all of the vents, and it's going to be super good climate controlled in here because I've got actually 8 total vents in this space. A lot of people that have come to work on this space said, oh my goodness, you're building a small house. And yeah, it definitely feels like you could probably throw a kitchen and a bedroom in here, and yeah, it's a small house, but it's going to be perfect for my space. It's also got all the electrical outlets in the ceiling for all the lighting. I'm going to have shop lighting in here, so it should be really, really bright, and I'll be able to get a lot of work done. So I'm really excited, and I know I say that every time, but I'll be really encouraged to be able to start. I've got a lot of the stuff coming from my ASD Market Week vendors, and I've got a lot of stuff just stacked right now that I would like to be able to organize on the shelves better. So I will show you some of my shelving options once we start putting stuff in here, but hopefully in the next couple weeks we'll have it all painted, drywalled, trimmed out, all the electrical totally hooked up and all the outlets put in, and then we'll start loading this thing, and I'll try to give you progress updates on that. So warehouse update, maybe about two weeks or so until I've got turnkey totally done, and I'll keep you guys updated. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.